Greetings, sales professionals at Gem Supply. My name is Mike Seebeck, and I'm the manufacturer's rep for Earth Laboratories, manufacturer of specialty chemicals. And I'm here to introduce our flagship product, Peroxy HDOX, or as we call it, HDOX for short. HDOX is a single concentrate that is typically dispensed in two dilutions, red and green. It basically helps your customers achieve 95% of their cleaning goals, and it does so very effectively and very simply, and it also has the benefit of being a full EPA-registered hospital-grade disinfectant in a heavier dilution. I'll get back to that in a minute. HDOX comes, like I said, in a single concentrate. It's dispensed in two dilutions. At a ½ ounce per gallon, it's a general spray and wipe cleaner that can be used anywhere that water can be used. The versatility of the product enables it to be used in concert with any kind of equipment also, including auto scrubbers and carpet extractors, a real convenience and benefit to the customers. They love it. They don't have to use 9 different chemicals to do the work. At 10 ounces per gallon, the product jumps into a very effective heavy-duty cleaner, particularly good at things like grout restoration, heavy stains on a carpet or spills. And in addition to that, with a 10-minute dwell time, it performs all of the requirements of a hospital-grade disinfectant, including our norovirus claim, which is absolutely vital to key markets like schools. So how do your customers really benefit from this? Well, the bottom line is, invariably, we go out and we talk to our customers and we find that simplification is something they're all interested in. If they can take 6 chemicals and reduce it to 1, they're interested. There's also a growing awareness of safety in cleaning chemicals. The news media and the science-based research all points to the fact that if you take contaminants out of your indoor air quality, you're doing your students, your residents, your patients, all a service. And HDOX was specifically engineered to be devoid of any quats, fragrances, dyes, and other things that contaminate indoor air quality. Getting back to how the customers use the product, they like the fact that it's simple. They like the fact that we provide color-coded charts for the application, and we could vary those charts based on what their end needs, anything from a school classroom, cafeteria, casino, or a patient room in a hospital. We could simplify their training by having a product that they can use in either one or two of the dilutions and not have to worry about any residues or anything that is a consequence of using chemicals laden with other ingredients. So in effect, what they're doing is they're getting very effective cleaning. What they're doing is getting a safer product. What they're getting is a simpler solution. You know, just going back to the safety aspect of it, we are proud to say that science-based research, which comes from the top universities in the country, all point to eliminating ingredients from chemicals. So you're going out there and you're telling your customers, not only am I going to reduce the amount of chemicals you use, but I'm going to reduce the amount of chemical ingredients. And they all respect that, and most of them are greatly appreciative of that. In addition, you're going out there and you're giving them a product that makes training for them easy. In this day and age, turnover is all too much of a problem for people. And one of the things they like to do is have something that's cookie cutter, that they can plug into their system and their employees with great ease. And that's what Peroxide does. And lastly, in terms of logistics, they're only ordering 1 chemical, not 6. They always have it available, and they love that simplicity. So at the end of the day, you have a very effective cleaner in 2 dilutions, spray and wipe and heavy duty. You meet the disinfectant needs of an institution with the HDOX. You simplify their system and you reduce their toxic burden and their cleaning products. A home run for them. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. We're back in the Academy of Cleaning studio, and I'm here to discuss the dispenser system. Now that your customer has heard about the presentation and understands the benefits, the next step would be to do a try and buy, because one of the things that we found very rewarding is the feedback we get on the efficacy once we get the product in the hands of the customer. So what it would involve is hanging a dispenser. A dispenser is very easy in the sense that there's a simple mounting plate with 4 screws and a bottle rack, 2 screws. That is the most arduous part of the process, just putting those 2 up. because occasionally you run into concrete walls and have to drill in. Once that's done, the dispensers slip right in, and it's as simple as that. They're mounted on the wall, and they're green with the bulk fill and red with the bottle fill. The gallon of concentrate is just added to the bottle rack, and the cap with both feeds to both sides of the dispenser gets mounted in the bottle and screwed on, and you have a completed installation. It's as simple as that. Once again, simplicity, ease of use is very important. All of these components are modular, so you can reverse them if the customer prefers, set it up any way they want. So once it's all hooked up and your water's installed and you're ready to go, it's a very simple process. You have your bulk fill on the green side with a bottle adapter. Just pressing the button and fill whatever device you need to fill. Mop buckets, auto scrubbers. And on the red side, the heavy duty dilution is a bottle fill. Just place the bottle under the bottle nipple, press up, and you have your product dispensed exactly the way it's supposed to be. And by using the dispenser, customers get excellent product utilization. If you look at a gallon, you could basically look at something that produces 200 gallons of general cleaner and just under 3 gallons of hospital-grade disinfectant. All comes out of this one bottle. So wrapping it up, the purpose of the try and buy is to get the customer using HDOX and getting the feedback we've all become very familiar with, which is very positive. Once they do that and you come back, it's a question of finding out how many more they need and outfitting their facility. So in closing, I just want to thank you very much for your time and just let you know that I'm available for questions. My name is Mike Seebeck. My cell number is 732-492-7927. My email address is very simple. It's mike@hdoxinfo.com. Appreciate all of your questions and appreciate your interest in Peroxy HDOX. Thank you.